How to turn off PS5 without controller. So first of all, you're probably going to want to eject your disc from your PlayStation 5 console before you turn the whole thing off. So if you want to do that, just go ahead and press the little button that's on there. It should have a right arrow or an arrow towards the middle of the console there. That's the little button you want to press. It's going to eject your disc. Go ahead and take that out. And then if you want to turn the PlayStation 5 console completely off after that, all you're going to want to do is press the slightly larger button that has the off logo on it. This one here, the one that's closer to the edge of the PlayStation 5 there. So you want to go ahead and press and hold that for around about 3 seconds. It should do there, potentially 5 seconds. And then once you've done that, you'll see on your TV it says preparing to turn off your PS5. Should take a few seconds to fully turn off. Then you should be able to go down to your physical PS5 console and see there's no lights there. That means it's fully turned off. Leave a like on the video for help and subscribe for more helpful videos.